This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time.
Jungkook, that would be too kind. You need to feel what she felt. Every lash, every scream. Only then you will understand the weight of what you have done. The basement smelled of iron and non-stop. Chain rattled as you shifted. Wrist dropped from struggling. Your braid came matched. Eyes swollen from tears. Jungkook stood a few feet away. Whip in his hand, his face covered in fury and grief. He looked at you like you were both stranger and monster. You, Jungkook, don't. Please not you. He snapped the whip against the ground. The crack echoed, making it flinch violently. Jungkook, shut up. You don't listen. When she begged, you didn't stop when she screamed. So why should I listen to you now, huh? You, because I'm not her. I'm me. I love you, Jungkook. The whip lashed across your back. The sting was instant. White hot fire tearing through your skin. You cried out. Jungkook, love? You call this love? Ordering her to be whipped until her skin bled? Tell me, Vayan, was that love? You, it was pain. It was hate. Another strike cut across your shoulder. You gasped. Tears flowing. Your vision. Jungkook, and you think this will make me look at you? You think cruelty will make me love you? You, I didn't know what else to do. She had everything. Your love, my father's love, my whole life stolen. And you were supposed to be mine. The whip cracked again, harsher. You screamed, your voice raw. Jungkook, mine? I was never yours. You chained yourself to me with obsession, not love. The whip struck again, tearing another string from your throat. Jungkook's breathing grew heavier, his rage boiling over. Jungkook, and still I choose her. I always choose her. Do you understand that? Now? You, then why keep me alive if I'm nothing but a burden? Why not let me die? Jungkook paused, just heaving, eyes burning into you. His voice dropped lower, trembling with fury and pain. Jungkook, because it would be mercy, and you don't deserve mercy. He raised the whip again. The lash fell. You screamed, body trembling uncontrollably. Your voice crackled as you sobbed words between each strike. You, I loved you. You, every day. You, I wanted to be enough. You, but you never saw me. By now, your back was a map of agony. Clothes torn, sweat and tears mixing. Jungkook's hand trembled, whip slick in his palm. His voice broke, but it was still merciless. Jungkook, do you feel it now? Do you feel what you did to her? This is her pain, her screams, her tears. You will regret it badly. Remember that. Jungkook, I regret by loving a monster. You're nothing but a piece of... I hate myself for falling in love with you. Jungkook froze, the whip trembling in midair, his jaw clenched, eyes glassy with something he refused to let fall. Your whole body slumped, soap triggering you, yet even as blood trickled, even as your body shook with pain. You saw my love and get ready to feel my wrath. He turned away sharply, just heaving, whip falling from his hand. For the first time, Jungkook didn't look like a protector or a man in love. He looked like someone who had shattered too, and neither of you knew if what broke could ever be mended. You stumbled into your house, body weak, your clothes sticking to the raw lashes on your back. Every step felt like your bones were crumbling. A doctor was called, and he treated you up in silence, shaking his head at the cruelty etched into your flesh. You didn't speak. You couldn't. For the first time in your life, words had abandoned you. The fire that once danced in your eyes was gone, replaced by emptiness. After some time, you went to your father's house as he called you. His face thunderous. You didn't even lift your head. He hung your hair back, forcing you to look at him. Father, what the hell have you done? Do you know what disgrace you have brought to this family? Kidnapping Lily, whipping her like some animal? Have you lost your mind? You, I already lost it a long time ago. Your father slapped you across the face. You didn't flinch. The sting was nothing compared to what you have already endured. Father, you ungrateful child. I gave you everything, power, a name, respect. And what did you do? You tried to destroy the one person who ever brought light into this house. She brought light into his heart too. That's why I hated her. Father, don't you dare say her name with that poison in your mouth. You think I don't know? You think I don't see the flip in your eyes every time you look at Jungkook? Your tears finally filled, hot and silent, rolled on your cheeks. I loved him and he never loved me back. Father, love? You call this love? You turned it into sickness, into obsession, into shame.
मैं बारिश की बोली समझता नहीं था, हवाओं से मैं यूं उलझता नहीं था, है सीने में दिल भी कहाँ थी मुझे ये खबर। कहीं पे हो रातें, कहीं पे सवेरे, आवाज़ रही साथ मेरे, ठहर जा ये कहती है तेरी नजर। क्या हाल हो गया है ये मेरा, आँखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह। ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह। कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ।
हैरान हूँ कि कुछ भी न मांगू कभी मैं, जो तुम मेरे हो। ऐसा हो क्यों कि लगता है हासिल सभी है, जो तुम मेरे हो, जो तुम मेरे हो। तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, और तुम हो ही कोई नहीं, तो मैं जीना नहीं चाहूँ दुनिया में। और नजरों में मेरे एक जहाँ है जहाँ तू और मैं अब साथ हैं, और वहाँ कोई नहीं, तू और मैं ही हैं। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए कभी, हम तो प्यार से ही मर जाएंगे। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए नहीं, हम तो फिर भी तुम्हें ही चाहेंगे जो तुम मेरे हो। तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, पूछे तू कि तुझ में मैं क्या देखता हूँ, जब चारों तरफ आज कितने ही सारे हैं। जाने ना तू खुद को यूं ना जाने क्यों, नजरों से मेरी यहाँ देखो ना खुद को जरा, देखो ना जुल्फों से, कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी छुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कान है, और नजरें झुकी और नजरें उठी, तो मैं क्या ही करूं बर्बाद मैं तेरे होठों को जिनसे रखती मेरे प्यारे प्यारे नाम है, और दिल का तेरे और दिल का तेरे, अब मैं क्या ही कहूँ क्या बात है। और हाँ देखो यहाँ कैसे आई दो दिलों की बारात है, पर क्या खुला आसमां या फिर लाए